Hello, today I will show you boiler component of having 500 Kelvin temperature at this wall and 300 Kelvin means room temperature is around here. So we will see how thermal conductance will take place in open form, and we will see how to write this file and how to see the result by open form. Now I will start. First, I will mesh our geometry. So, I had already file.msh. I will convert into open form. So, I have fluent mesh to form file.msh. It will convert our fluent file to this open form file. Now we will check our mesh. Check mesh. It will say our mesh is okay. Our temperature 1, 2, 4 total 4 patch is available. Temperature 1, temperature 2, wall and wall 1. So temperature 1 we will boundary condition 300 Kelvin. Temperature 2. This temperature 1 plot. This one here. Here you can see that. Temperature 1, this is temperature 1, this is temperature 2. So we will boundary condition this temperature 1 is around 300 Kelvin and temperature 2 is 500 Kelvin, and this wall and wall 1 is for wall product. This wall is for we have to find this temperature around this wall. So I had a separate name given for that temperature wall 1. So we will find this temperature gradient around this wall. Now we will boundary condition it. So this wall have 0 gradient, wall 1 is also 0 gradient, temperature 1 is type fixed value uniformly 300 Kelvin, and temperature 2 is fixed value uniformly 500 Kelvin. Our dimension is around 001, means this is only temperature in Kelvin. We will initialize our field with 300 Kelvin. So it will initialize our problem with 300 Kelvin. Now we will go for control directory. Here you can see that our application is Laplacian form, and our start from latest time, start time is 0, and our end time is 300 second, and our delta t is 10 second. So it will start from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 like up to 300 second, and our every 10 second we will write our result. So now if we run this code, so Control Shift V for copy. Now it will solve every 10 seconds. Here you can see that 10, 20, 30, 40, 70, 80. By this way you can solve heat transfer result. It will only conduction will take place. Now we'll see our result. So touch r.form. It will write our result file. If we open this, here you can see that 10, 20, 30, like this way you can see the result. Apply. Here you can see that our result with meshes. Now we will see our result. So we will see our temperature graph, surface. So at 10 second our temperature is like up to this one, and if you want to play the result every step how it will increase our temperature, you can see that. Here you can see that after 180 second it will know, means it will steady state. So only I had a run to 300 seconds to see what is the steady state iteration for that. So I will see result on wall 1 which I have to see, and this is for scale. Here you can see that 470 Kelvin is our temperature. So if I want to design this component which is intersect with this surface, I have to design 470 Kelvin for that component. So by this way you can do conductance test in OpenFOAM. Thank you guys.